Hello everyone, welcome to another midweek technical look. And this week we're going to have a look at GBPUSD, US dollar index, and oil prices. That we have some movements in the market. Pound was easing earlier this week as we have the 30-year gilt yields at its highest levels this century. We have the NFP report tomorrow that may give some clues about the next Fed interest rate decision, and we have also the OPEC meeting on Sunday that it may have some movement. We may have some movement in oil. So starting from GBPUSD, we can see that the price, after the strong selling interest that we have earlier this week, I can see that it rebounded off this long-term uptrend line and is currently holding above the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level of the up leg from 1.21 to 1.3788 at 1.3370. So we can also see that the Bollinger Bands are squeezing, and that is indicating that we may see some more boost in the market. We may see some more steeper movements. And if there is a climb above the mid-level of the Bollinger Band and this short-term downturn line around the 1.3490, then the price, it may challenge again the 1.3550 to 1.3585 resistance area. So any movements above the upper Bollinger Band, it may drive the price towards the 4-year high at 1.3788. However, if there is a penetration of this uptrend line, the price, it may find first support at the 38.2% Fibonacci at 1.3140 ahead of the 200 DSMA at 1.3060. Having a look at the technical oscillators, the RSI is pointing slightly down below the 50 region, while the stochastic is moving lower after a bearish crossover between its %K and %D line. So we may see some more weakness in the market and the potential rebound again of this uptrend line. Having a look at the US dollar index, we have significant events tomorrow. We can see that it's currently holding slightly below this long-term uptrend line. We can see that it's also moving within a tight range during the last month. And also the 20 and 50 DSMAs are standing as strong support levels for the market. So if there is a move above this long-term uptrend line, the price, it may meet the 98.55 and 98.70 resistance region ahead of the 100 round number, which is taken from the latest highs, and even higher we may see the price moving toward the 101.85. Now, to have a clearer bullish outlook, we have to wait to see a break up at the 200 DSMA, which is standing around the 102.20. Now, as long as the outlook is still negative in the long-term view, if there is a move below this short-term uptrend line and beneath the 97.40 support, then the price, it may meet the 96.80 and the 3.5-year low at 95.90. Now a lower low, it may take the price until the January of 2022 at 94.50. Now the RSI is pointing slightly up above the 50 region. The stochastic is moving higher, both confirming this recent upward move that we have today. But I think that it will be more important to have a closing session above this resistance area here to confirm that we may see some more notable gains, maybe until the 100 level. And turning to oil prices, that we have the OPEC meeting, we can see that is moving lower. It lost around 4% over the last couple of sessions. It moved beneath the 20 DSMA. It found strong resistance near the 66.60 resistance and the 50 DSMA, as well as this short-term downtrend line here. First support, it may come from this uptrend line around the 63 round number, and even lower these lows at 62.30. So a move below that level, the 60.13, will be also an important battle for the market, as it failed to move below it since the beginning of May. So if there is a move below that area, then the price, it may move toward the 55.60 and the 4-year low around 55.17. Now, if we see a rebound of that line, that it is possible, of course, then other price it may break this short-term uptrend line to the upside, breaking the 66.60 and meeting the 200 DSMA at 67.65. And the break above that line, then it may confirm that we may see some more upside movements meeting the 71.40. Now the MACD is moving slightly lower today. We can see that it's strengthening. It's a negative momentum below its zero line, but it's still slightly above its trigger line, and the RSI is extending its negative momentum beneath the 50 area. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.